Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Poha Chivda. For that I have taken the thin flattened rice half kg, cleaned it properly, remove the dust with a sieve and dry roast this till crispy. Have roasted peanut, dry coconut and gram dal, chutney dal. Now oil is still hot. We will put mustard seeds. Let it splutter. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds I have put it. Now add the cumin seeds, asafoetida, curry leaves, green chili. Instead of green chili, you can add dry red chili. Now saute this till the curry leaves and chili is crisp and the moisture is gone from it. After adding the chili and curry leaves, roast it till it is crispy. The color should change of the green chili. There is no measurement, according to your requirement you can add. I have taken 2 green chili and a sprig of curry leaves. If you press, you can make it out whether it is crispy or not. It is not. The chili is crisp. Now we'll add little bit of turmeric powder in this and poha, roasted poha, the peanut, the chivda is ready. Mix it in a low flame only and give a gentle mix, otherwise the poha will break. For half cup poha, half kg poha, I have taken around more than half cup of peanuts, quarter cup gram dal, that is chutney dal, and 3 green chilies, few curry leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoon of sugar powdered in the mixer and added to the chivda. After mixing everything, the detailed ingredients will be given in the description box once again. You can check that. First time I am making the chivda and it has come out very nicely. If you want, you can add cashew nuts and Kishmish also after frying and add to the chivda. It's up to you. Quarter teaspoon of asafoetida I have added. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. So the chivda can be made very easily at home. First you clean the poha, remove the dust and dry it in the sun for 2 days. Then afterwards if you dry roast the same, it will become crispy very easily. Do try this and let me know your comments. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.